let's see how you can temporarily deactivate or temporarily disable your Instagram account. If you want to take a break from Instagram, you can disable it. To start, you can use your original Instagram application. After opening, you have to tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you have to have hamburger menu in the top right corner. If it is missing, you can scroll down and you can scroll up. Then this hamburger menu will appear. After that, tap the hamburger menu. Then you will go to account setting. Here at the top of the list, you can see this account center feature. If this option is missing, you have to have up to date your Instagram application. After updating, you can restart the application, then this option will be here. Now you can tap on account center. Then you will get this pop-up window. Here you have to scroll down and see the second one, personal details, under account settings. Like this, select personal details. Here you have to see the last option, account ownership and control. Now tap deactivation or deletion. Here, since you are going to disable or deactivate our Instagram account, select the second option, Instagram. Now you can see deactivate account is selected by default. You don't have to select. So tap continue at the bottom to go forward. Then they ask you to re-enter your password to verify yourself. After entering your password like this, just tap the continue button. Then they ask you to select a reason or provide a reason to deactivate your account. Here you are feel free to select any reason, but I highly recommend you to select the last reason if you want to get the same interface for the next window. According to your selection, the next page will be optimized. So if you want to get less question and strictly want to deactivate your account, select the last one and then tap the continue button at the bottom. Then they ask you to confirm your decision. So to deactivate your account, just tap the deactivate button. Then your account will be deactivated as well as you will get this kind of message. Now your account is deactivated. Don't try to log back into your account. If you log back into your account, it will be activated. As well as instead of deactivating your account, if you want to permanently delete it, you can click this end screen video and come on over. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later!